Oh, I got the hiccups.
When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of luck chop.
Whoopie dee scoop, scoop dee dee whoop.
This, as you can see, is the jacket that I'm gonna be making over today. Oh, whoa, chat. I'm not a huge fan of red, but I do have this leftover red too from when I made. I'm sitting on it. Ugh, this video is so chaotic and it hasn't even begun properly. Pineapple. I'm gonna use the red still because it kind of looks like pink in the right light.
No, it doesn't.
I want to put the sleeves back on this.
I cut off the sleeves when I was 12 years old because I thought it was high fashion. Period love.
Okay. Why are you peeing? It's the view. Listen, baby, your wish is my command, and I do to make my baby understand. I'm really not a fan of the red. I wish it was pink, but red and pink kind of similar, I guess.
Pause. So I'm gonna use the ends of this old jeans pants to make cuffs for the sleeves.
Oh my god, oh my gosh, I made this. What is this monstrosity? This piece looks atrocious, but I'm loving every bit of it. Let me show you. Child. These are to be folded, but that's like for after you don't put it on, and I'm gonna attach the sleeves now.
The guy that thinks he's flying is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. I don't want no scrub. No scrub. No scrub. I don't want no scrub.
Ro has on a similar tool thing. This is honestly the first time I've seen it. Wow.
Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
I never knew this exists to make it tighter. If I could get off, to make the jacket more fitted around the waist, you could go on the higher button. But I'm gonna paint this red. This was so difficult. I'm gonna do white now. And I tried doing like a calligraphy kind of A. Hi everybody, so this is me like a few hours before this video goes up. Just want to say thanks for like the new subscribers and stuff. Like that's really cool. Okay, right. As I was doing this sketch for the brats, the Z cut off because I did not proportion anything. I didn't test out anything to see how it would fit. So I just ran with it. I just said, okay, brats. That's cool because I'm one person. All right, I do realize that this video is kind of shorter than my usual videos, and it's kind of good for me because I've been editing like 20-minute videos for like 3 weeks and a week straight. But I know for my subscribers it's gonna be kind of short, but I mean if you're new here you really wouldn't know. But hey, I upload longer content, but right now being lazy and things. So yeah, now for the reveal. Yeah, okay, bye.
Yo, Wiz, this is crazy right here.
Hey yo, Ash, you crazy for this one?
And oh my gosh, he's watching directly at me. Okay, bye.